হ্যালো কিডস, আজকে আমরা শিখব ইংলিশ অ্যালফাবেট। এ ফর অ্যান্ট, বি ফর বুক, বুক, সি ফর ক্যাট, ফর ক্যাট, ডি ফর ডিয়ার, for deer, E for elephant, for elephant, F for fish, for fish, G for goat, for goat, H for hand, for hand, I for ink, J for jellyfish, for jellyfish, K for king, for king, L for lion, for lion, M for mango, for mango, M for mango, N for nose, O for orange, for orange, P for pen, for pen, Q for queen, for queen, R for rose, for rose, S for sheep, for sheep, T for telephone, for telephone, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, V for vegetable, V for vegetable, W for wool, for wool, X for X-ray, for X-ray, Y for yak, for yak, Z for zebra,